Good morning, students. In my last lecture, I have completed the two exercises of chapter 7, the coordinate geometry of class mathematics. Now moving ahead with section 7.4. I also told you that area of triangle is half base into altitude. You already know this. And by using this formula, what you get is that for three vertices x1, y1, whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, the area is given by x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y2 minus y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2 into half will give the area of the triangle. So directly moving to the example 11, find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 1 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma 6 and 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 5. So example 11, it says that let us suppose these are three vertices and the vertices are going to be 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 minus 4 6 minus 3 minus 5. Let me mark it to be as A, B and C, and if I join these two and these two, this is form a triangle. What is the area of this? Let me, I'm assuming that this is my x1 y1, this is my x2 y2, and that is this will be my x3 y3. So what is area? So area of triangle ABC, nothing but this is half. This is already a modulus sign. This is if I take this is x1, this is y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus. Now directly I am substituting the value. This area is nothing but, this implies that this area is nothing but modulus of this x1. What is x1 is 1. 1 into y2 minus y3. y3 is y2 is 6. So this is 6 minus y3, y3 minus of minus 5. Minus of minus 5. And this is 1 into, and this is plus x2. x2 is minus 4. Minus 4 into what is y3 minus 5. y3 is minus 5. Minus 1, minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is like this, and plus x3. x3 is minus 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 is minus 1 minus 6 modulus. So which implies that I'm writing here as that is delta is independent area is half into modulus of 1 into this 6 plus 5, so 11 plus this is minus 4 and this is becomes minus, and let me write this minus 4 and this is minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 plus minus 4, and again this is plus, this is again minus 3, and minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. So all will become plus. So this is half into 11 plus 4 for the minus multiply, it will give you positive. So 4 into 4 is directly 16. 7 into 3 21, minus 1 get cancelled, or it multiply get positive. So say 21. Now this is 21 is equal to half into 11 plus 16 is 27. 27 plus 21 is 48. 48 mod of 48 is also only 48 by 2. This is 24 unit square. Unit square is your answer. 24 unit square is your answer. Now next is example 12. Example 12. This is 24 square unit or unit square, the answer. Now example 2 is find the area of triangle, format the points A, B and C. This. So this time the points are 5, 2. Let me draw these points. The points are 5 2 4 7. 5 2, this is 4 7. What is next point is 7 minus 4. What is this is nothing but x1 y1. This is my x2 y2, and let this be x3 y3, and the points are naming this point are a b and c. So area of triangle ABC is equals, you all know the formula is half, or let me write here, this is half mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y just 3, so this is y1 minus y2 mod. Now if I put these values, so this will be half, what is x1, x1 is 5, y2 is 7, minus of minus 4, y3 minus 4, so this is, what is x2 is, x2 is 4, and into I will write here, what is y3, y3 2 3, this is minus 4, and minus of y1 is minus 2, plus x3, what is x3 is 7, what is y1, y1 is 2, minus y2, y2 is 7, so this is 7 mod. Now if I directly am writing it here, which implies that area is nothing but, in your triangle nothing but half mod, this is 7 minus or minus 4, 7 for 11, 7 plus 4 is 11, 5 into 11 plus, this is minus 4 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6, 6 for 24, so this is minus 24, plus, and this is 2 minus 7 is minus 5, and minus 5 into 7 is minus 35. So if you solve this, this is half 55 minus 24 minus 55, this is 59 minus 59, so this is 55 minus 59 mod, which is nothing but is a mod of minus 4 by 2. So mod of minus 4 is 4 only, so 4 by 2 is the 2 unit square, this is 2 unit square is the answer. Is minus 2, since the area measure which cannot be negative, so to make the numeric value for minus 2, that is 2, therefore the area of triangle is 2 square units, hence 2 square units is the answer, which I have also shown that the area will be 2. Next is example 13. What is say that you find the area of triangle formed by point this, and this. This is a special question. Example 13. So what is it is saying that example 13 says that P is minus 1.53, Q is 6 minus 2, Q is 6 minus 2, and what is R is minus 3 comma 4, R is minus 3 comma 4. Always write, let the diagram of the points be like this. So you don't know what type of triangle it will be, whether this will be a triangle or not. Always like this before solving. So this is my triangle, I'm assuming this is my triangle, and now I'm assuming that this is nothing but x1 y1, this is my x2 y2, and this is my x3 y3. So this x3 y3 complete screen getting captured. Okay, I was just verifying whether this is working or not. So these are the points, and you know the area formula of area. So area of triangle PQR is given by half modulus sign. This is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus. This is half into, is what is x1. X1 is minus 1.5, is minus 1.5. What is y2 minus y2 is minus 2, y3 is 4, so this is minus 4 plus what is x2 is 6, y3 is 4 minus, and y1 is 3. What is x3? X3 is minus 3, y1 is 3 minus what is y2? Y2 is minus 2, so minus of minus 2 mod. If you open this, this is area, this is area is given by, this is minus 6 into minus, so this will ultimately, I'm directly cancelling this like this, and next is 4 minus 3 is 1, so 6 into 1 plus this is 3 minus or minus is 5, so this will be minus 3 into 5 modulus. Modulus is just the inside bracket will already get positive integer, the function which gives always positive value. So 1.5 into 6 is 9, so 6 is 30, 6 is 609, 9.0 is nothing but 9 plus 6 into 1 is 6 minus 5 is 15. So this is be 15 minus 15 modulus by 2 is nothing but 0 unit square. So this is giving area as 0. What do you mean by area is 0? Can a triangle can have any triangle can have the area as 0? And no. How it is possible? This is only possible when these 3 points are collinear. Collinear means these 3 points lie on a straight line. If you draw these 3 points, they can be formed, they can be on a straight line. This, and this. Not like this also, even like this also. This can be also line, and the points can be here, and here, and even if it can be here, if you can be on this line here, and here. But since these, if you join this, you will never form a triangle. Hence, these 3 points are collinear because area is 0. So this is also you have got area 0. What can a triangle have 0 in it? What does this mean? This is also saying the same thing. It means that the vertices will be a collinear. The points are collinear. Now, find the value of k if the points this are collinear. Now it is saying that 3 points are collinear, means they are always on a straight line. Find the value of k. They're saying that then find the value of k. So how will you find the value of k? Example number 14. Example number 14 saying that the points are p 2 3 4 k 6 minus 3, 2 3 4 k and 6 minus 3. Am I right? I'm checking. Someone say 2 4 2 3 4 k. They are calling. Find the value of k. So these are points a b c. So this is a, this is my b, and this is my c, and I need to make it collinear. To make this point collinear, so if we want to have this point as collinear, the area the area of the triangle or the area found by these three of the closed figure found by these 3 points should be 0 because they are in a straight line. So area of closed figure formed by points A, B, C is given by, you know, this is given by what formula you are using. This is this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 and this is x3 y3. So area of the triangle form is area is given by half into modulus. This is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus. This is nothing but half into what is x1. X1 is 2. What is y2? Y2 is k minus of minus 3. Now what is x2 is 4. Y3 is minus 3. This is minus 3. 3, so minus 3 minus 3 plus x3 is 6. What is y1? Y1 is 3 minus of this k. Now this is your area, but what is given in the question? It is the points are collinear. So you will write that this, since points A, B and C are collinear, which implies that area formed by points formed by line joining the points A, B and C will be 0. So since this is 0, so 0 you will equate to 0. This 0 is nothing but this is half into, if you open this is k plus 2 into k plus 3, that's 2 into k plus 3 plus this is minus of 6, so this is 4 into minus 6, 4 into minus 6 and plus this is 6 3 minus k equal to 0. Now if you take half 2 into this side, this will also get 0 and I will be writing on this is right hand side. So this will be this is 2 into k plus 3 plus this is 6 for 24 and this is minus sign, so this is minus 24 and this is k. So this will be s plus 6 3 minus k equals 0. Modular sign will be removed because modulus of 0 is always 0. So this will be 0. Now what is k? So k is just, if you expand this as well, 2k plus 6 minus 24 plus 6 12 18 minus 6k equals 0. Now if you see this 6 plus 18 is 24 only, this will become 0. This is 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. Minus 4k, 18 plus 6 is 24 and 24 minus 24 is 0. Is 0 equal to 0, which implies that k equals 0. The answer. So for value k equal to 0, the points will be collinear. This is also saying that the points are collinear formed by triangle must be 0. So here equation has become k value will be 0. Even you can put the value of k is 0 and you will find that it will satisfy the equation. Now what is the next is example number 15 says that if the ABCD are vertices of a quadrilateral, then find the area of the quadrilateral. Now this is not a parallelogram. If it had been a parallelogram, you can find the two diagonals and then multiply this to get the answer. But in this case, it is a quadrilateral. So for a quadrilateral, there will be 4 points. Let me do this like example number 15 is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral A B C D minus 5 7 and next is minus 4 5 minus 5. This is minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 and 4 comma 5. ABCD. These are given to you and I'm assuming that these are the points like something like this. There's no relation between parallelism or anything. So these are the parallelogram. Now this quadrilateral. Now you the formula for if applying the formula, you must need to have three vertices. So if you join any, you can take any, you can divide this into any two. I mean taking like this. So the area of triangle. So sorry, area of parallelogram. Let me have some different color. So area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Now see if I figure that this is area of 1 plus area of 2 will give me area of this complete figure. So I have divided, and you can even take this line also, and this will divide, you will then need to calculate area of ABC and ADC. You know, anything you can, any way you can do it, but you must be having three vertices. So my three vertices will be ABD and next three will be BCD. So applying the formula, now let me for triangle AB. So I'm writing for triangle ABD. So my 1, 2, and 3. I'm supposing this is my x4, and this is x1, this is x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 vertices. So I'm assuming, I'm not writing about, because every time it will be getting changed. So this is my half into the form. I will write just like the formula. This is modulus of, this is x1, this is y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus. So this will be nothing, will be half into, what is x1? X1 is going to be minus 5 minus 5. What is y2? Y2 is given to be b. So b y2 is minus 5, and y3 is 5, so this is minus of minus 5 minus 5 plus what is x2? X2 is minus 4. What is y3? Y3 is 5 minus 7. Y1 is 7 plus what is x3? So x3 is 4. Y1 is 7 minus of minus 5 modulus. So this will be, area will be equal to area of triangle ABD equal to half. This is nothing but minus 5, 5 minus 10 minus into minus was positive. So this is 5, ultimately 5 into 10 only, plus this is 5 minus 7 is minus 2, and minus 2 into 4 is 8, and this minus I'm writing for till the point I'm writing like this. And next is 7 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5, so 5 is 12, so 4 into 12. So if you solve this, this will be half into, this is 50 plus 8 plus 48, 48. This is nothing but 98. This 2 will 90, 98 plus 8 is 106. This is 106 mod by 2. Since 1026 is positive only, so this is 106 by 2. This is 53 unit square. 53 unit square with the area of this triangle, not the not this quadrilateral. It will be area of the triangle. So second, I will be calculating for, can write for earlier one ABD, now it will be BCD. BCD. So BCD, if you are having BCD, so what area will, the formula will be same. Formula is the same. I'm directly writing this is half. So this is modulus What is x1? X1, I'm taking b as x1, so this is minus 4 into what is y2 minus y3. Y2 is minus 6 minus 5, minus 6 minus 5. So minus 6 minus 5. This plus what is this is x2 is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is y3 minus y1. Y3 is 5 minus or minus 5. 5 minus or minus 5. Now plus c x3 is 4. So x3 is 4 into, and this is y1 minus y2. Y1 is minus 5. Y2 is minus 5 minus or minus 6. Minus 5 minus or minus 6. Complete mod. This is half into, this is minus 11 on minus 4. Minus becomes plus, so this is 4 into 11. Ultimately this is 4 into 11 plus 5 minus or minus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 10 minus, so this will be minus 1 into 10. You can write it like this. And this is plus, this is minus 5 and plus 6. This is 1, so 4 into 1. So mod. So if you solve it, this is half. This equals half into 11 for the 44 minus 10 plus 4. This is 48 minus 10 is 38. And mod 38 by 2. This is not mod 2 and 2. This is 38 only. Modulus of 38 only. 2 and 2, 1 at 18. 2 and 18 unit square. This is area of this now complete area of quadrilateral is given by this 53 plus 19. That is the area of the both of the triangle, which is nothing but 70. This is 9 3 12. If I 6 7 72 unit square is the answer. So if you calculate, this is 53 and 19, this is 72 units, so it's the answer. This note, this is also a note: to find area of polygon, we must divide into triangular regions which have no common area, and add, when you add the area, this will give the areas of the region. So next is exercise 7.3. I'm now jumping to exercise 7.3. So exercise 7.3. So exercise 7.3. Question number 1. Find the area of triangles vertices are this. I will be taking only one question, first part only. Second part you can directly, because it's one the same thing. Points are 2 3 minus 1 0. 2 3 minus 1 0, and the last point is 2 minus 4. These are my points. I need to find the area. Directly applying the area formula of the area, calculating area. So area equals half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x1 y1 minus y2 modulus. This is half. I'm directly substituting all the x1 is 2, what is y2? Y2 is 0, minus of minus 4, plus what is x2? X2 is minus 1, what is y3? Y3 is minus 4 and minus of minus 3, plus what is x1? X1 is sorry, this is x3, sorry, x3. So what is x3? X3 is 2. So what is y1? Y1 is 3 minus, which is 0. This is half into what is mod. This is 0 minus or minus 4 is 4. So 2 into 4 modulus sine plus this is minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 into minus 1 nothing is 7, so 1 into 7 only, and then directly I'm cancelling minus sign, so this is 2 into 3, this is 2 into 3 modulus, this is nothing but this is half into 4 to the 8 plus 7 to 7 plus 6, this will be 21 mod 2, this is nothing but 21 by 2 is nothing but 10.5 unit square, which is the answer. Second you can do it. Now I'm doing second question. Now my second question is, in each of the following find the value case of which the points are collinear. Now I will be doing first part only. 7 minus 2, the points are 7 minus 2, next is 5 1, and 3k. These are my points and I need to find the value of k so that these points are collinear. Now you all already know that for points to be collinear, area of triangle formed by these 3 points must be 0. So which implies that it is half, that is directly like the form, this is nothing but x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals 0. And I'm directly like substituting the value, actually x1 is 7, what is y2 is 1 minus k plus what is x2 is 5. Now this y2 y3 is k minus of minus 2 minus of minus 2, what is x3 is 3, what y1 is minus 2 minus of 1 into 0. Now I'm solving this, so this will becomes this, if I take 2 on our right hand side, this will 2 into 0 will become ultimately 0, and modulus sign will get always can 0 is on the right hand side, modulus there is no meaning of modulus, this is nothing but this minus k plus 5k plus 2, and this is 3 into minus 3 0, which implies that this is nothing but 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 equals to 0. It is nothing but it is minus 7 plus 5k is minus 2k. It is 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 minus 9 is 8 plus 8 equals 0, which implies that k minus 2k equal to minus 8, which implies that k equals minus 8 by minus 2 is nothing but 4. So value of k is 4, which is the answer. Value of k is 4, for which these 3 points will be collinear, which is the answer. Now I'm solving second part, you can similarly solve. Now I'm solving for third part, sorry, the third question. The third question says that find the vertex of triangle formed by the midpoints joining. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the side of triangle. This and this. Find the ratio of the areas of this area to the area of the given triangle. 0 minus 1. So the points are 0 minus 1. This is 0 minus 1, and next is 2 1 0 3. These are points. Let me mark this point to be my ABC. A, B, this is C. What is the time? 5 minutes. Now the question is saying two things. That first we need to calculate the area of the points, uh, area of the triangle formed by the points, then the midpoints of these sides. So if you find the midpoint, so what are the midpoints? If you calculate this, take this my midpoint. This is the midpoint. This is midpoint. Let me mark it as P. This is Q. This is R. You know that midpoint for midpoints. If you want to calculate the midpoint coordinates, suppose P x comma y. What is x comma y? X is, we have already studied the section formula, x2, x equal to x1 plus x by 2, and y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Applying the same formula, I'm directly writing this. This is P. For this P, x1 y1 is this, and x2 y2 is this. And that will, like, my P will be 2 plus 0 by 2 plus 0 by 2 comma 1 minus 1 by 2, and nothing else is equals, this is 2 by 2 is 1 comma 0. So P is 1 comma 0. And what is 2? And for Q, this is, 0 comma minus 1 is x1 y1, and 0 comma 3 is x2 y2. So this will be 0 plus 0 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 by 2. And the coordinate is nothing but equals nothing but is 0 comma 2 by 2 is 1, 0 comma 1 is your Q. And what is R? For R, this and this is, first one 2 comma 1 is x1 y1, and 0 comma 3 is x2 y2. So coordinates will be 2 plus 0 by 2 and 1 plus 3 by 2, which is nothing but 2 by 2 is 1 and 3 by 1 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is coordinate of x1. And if you join this to this, you will get a triangle. So you can even see from this, this is approximately 1 by 4, but you need to prove it by using the area. So if you calculate the area of triangle ABC, so area of triangle ABC, I'm directly writing the formula. This is given by any triangle is given a half. This is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 mod is the area. So for ABC, I am writing for ABC. So for ABC, this triangle, nothing but area length will be half. Talking about ABC, this is what is x1 is 0, y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, y2 is, ABC. I'm tracking AB. So B is, this is y is 1 minus 3 plus what is x2? X2 is 2, and y3 is, 3 minus of minus 1, and this x3 is 0. So 0 into 1 y1, y1 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this 0 into anything is 0, and this 0 into anything is 0. So nothing but this is 3 minus of minus 1 is 3 plus 1. So this one is 4, 4 by 2. So in that 4 by 2, modulus 4 by 2 is nothing but 4 by 2 only. 1 mod of 4 is 4 only. So 4 by 2 is 2, 2 units square. The triangle area of triangle ABC is 2 units square. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. Now if you want to calculate area of triangle PQR, so area of triangle PQR, I am applying the same formula but with different values. This is half into mod what is x1 for PQR. I'm taking PQR, so P x1 y1, Q is x2 y2, R is x2 y2. So P is x coordinate of P is 1. So this is, given by this is x1. So for PQR for Px1 is my 1. So 1 into y2 minus y3. So y2 is y2 is 1, and 1 minus 2 plus what is x2. So x2 is q is x2, x is 0 into this is uh, 2 minus 0, plus x3 is 1 into y1 minus y2. Y1 is 0 and y2 is 1. 0 y2 is 0 minus 1 mod. So this will be half into this is 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so this is into 1 minus 1. 0 into anything is 0, and 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and 1 into minus 1, so this is minus 1. If you take the mod, this is nothing but minus 2 mod by 2. This is minus, this mod of minus 2 is plus 2 by 2, 1 unit square. I'm doing some mistake. 1 0 0 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 by 1 comma 0, yes, this is 1 0, this is 0 comma 2 by 2 1. Area will be 1/4, but if you calculate area of triangle PQR, area is coming to be half of this. Mistake, I think I have done some mistake here. Sorry. Yes, I have seen my mistake. That is, from here, this is, if you see this is 3 minus 1 is 4, 4 into 2. This is 4 into 2 modulus. Nothing of this is 4 into 2. If I take this is 2, 4. 2, 4. So the area of triangle ABC is 4 and the area of triangle PQR is 1. And if you divide the ratio, so if you find the ratio of what is given here, the ratio of triangle area of this area to the area of the given triangle. So triangle PQR area, this is area triangle PQR by area triangle ABC is nothing but this is 1 by 4. The unit square is cancelled, the unit square, I think unit square is nothing but 1 by 4, which is the answer. Even from diagram you can also see that this is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. Now fourth is find the area quadrilateral vertices and order. This I have already made you clear that what we need to do is we need to first divide this in this whole quadrilateral. I will just drawing the diagram. So this will be my fourth. I will not be doing this, but this will be for your own exercise. This is any this is like this. Now this is suppose the vertices are ABCD. You can join this to A and C. This will form your one triangle. This is triangle number 1. This is triangle number 2. Now for calculating the area, you can calculate the area of first. You can calculate the area of triangle ABC, and next you can calculate the area of triangle ADC. And if you add the two, you will get the area of the complete quadrilateral. Just substitute the value and you will get the answer. This was the question number 4. On question 1, you have studied in class 9, chapter 9, example 3, that median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Median of a triangle, median. Verify the result for triangle ABC whose vertices are this. So median to two equal areas. Median of a triangle divided into two equal areas. So this is ABC. Let me show you this fifth question. This is your triangle. The median divides into two equal areas. So if you calculate the midpoint, median is nothing but this is a midpoint of this, and if you join this two, this is your median. Divide this side into two equal parts. Now suppose this is ABC, I'm taking to be ABC. This point as D. It divides BC into two equal parts, BD and BDC, which are equal in length. It is already given that A is 4, minus 6, and this is 3, minus 2, and C is nothing but 5, 2. If you take this and then you can calculate the value of D. So D, since these are midpoint, so applying the formula that is of midpoint as x is equal to coordinate of x is x1 plus x2 by 2, and this is midpoint formula, and y equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is can using this is this is 3 plus 5 by 8, 5 by 2, comma this is minus 2 plus 2 by 2. So this is nothing but 8 by 2 is 4, and this is 0 by 2 is 0. So 4 comma 0 is the coordinate of this. Now if you want to prove that this median divides the triangle into two equal halves of equal area, so you first need to calculate the area of triangle ADC. You first calculate the area of triangle ADC, then you can calculate the area of triangle ABD, and then you can calculate the area of triangle ADC. And if you calculate this will be equal in area, you need to prove this. So applying this area triangle ABC, so area of triangle, any triangle is given by half into modulus. This is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y so y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So which implies that this is nothing but this is half into triangle, calculating for triangle ADC, triangle ADB or ABD, doing the same thing but four minus 6, 4 x1 is 4, y2 minus y3, y2 is minus 2 plus x2 is 3, sorry, It's not minus 2, this is minus 2 and 0. 0. This is x2 is 3, 3 comma this is 0 minus this was minus 4 or minus 6. Minus 6, so this minus of minus 6 plus this is 4, y1 is minus 6 minus of minus 2. So which implies that half into minus 2 minus 8, 18. This is plus 6 plus 18, this is 18. This is 6 minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, and minus 4 into 4 minus 16. This is nothing but 16 plus minus 16 minus 8 is minus 24, minus 24 minus 18, minus 24 minus 18 is 6, and minus 6. So minus 6 by mod of minus 6 by 2. So mod of minus 6 inside is minus 6, so this will become plus 6 by 2, which is nothing but this is 3 unit square. This 3 unit square is the area of triangle ABD. Now similarly, if I calculate the area of triangle ADC, so for triangle ADC, area will be is half. What is x1? This is x1. A is same, so this is A. What is D? Y2 0. And what is C? So C is point. This is 2, so this is minus 2. 0 minus 2. Now plus point D is 4 only, so this will be 4, and x2 is 4, and what is y3? Y3 is 0 minus what is A is pointed as minus 6, so minus 6, so minus of minus 6, minus of minus 6 plus what is x3 is C, this is x3 is 5, so this is 5, and this is minus 6, y1 minus minus y2 is 0, so minus 0 mod. So if you solve this, this is nothing but this is half. This is mod 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 0 minus a minus 6 plus 6, so 6 for 24. And this is minus 6 into 5 minus 6 for 30 minus 30. So mod, so minus 30 minus 8 is my 38, minus 38 plus 24 is or this is 38 minus 24 is 14, 14 by 2 minus 14, 14 by 2. Now if you see this is not minus 14, this is 2 minus or minus 6, this is not 0, this value is not 0, it is 4 0 minus 6, this is not 4 0 minus 6, this is 4 into 2 minus 6, so this is 2 minus 6. This is 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 16 8, 8 32, this will be 32. So this 32 minus 30 is 2 and 2 minus 8 is minus 6. This will be minus 6. Nothing but this is ultimately 6 by 2 is nothing but 3 unit square. Now you can see from both of this ABD and triangle ADC the areas are 3 and 3 unit square, hence you have proved that the median in the triangle, the median divides the triangle in the two parts of having equal area. Hence proved. Now sixth is, although there is no sixth question, so this exercise 7.3 is over. In the next video I will be completing exercise 7.4, though which is an optional exercise. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like this, please like and subscribe the channel.